watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Well, hey there, crafty friends. It's Holly with Melody Lane Inspired, and it's mystery box time. We have another Cricut mystery box, and this mystery box is going to be Cricut's Cotton Candy Joy mystery box, which is kind of fitting because cotton candy does bring joy. So let's go ahead and see what all is in this box. So first up, we are getting a cutie. Now this cutie already has been released. He was released in, sorry, had the wrong date, but it's February 2024. And he sold out pretty quick. And he's a beautiful, beautiful, this is Pink Lemonade. Such a pretty, pretty pink color. Actually, there is Pink Lemonade right there in the middle. So you can see him next to our other pinks here. So this one here is Pink Lemonade, and there he is next to this pink cutie. He's got a more salmon-y color. He reminds me of, like, when I was a kid, the carnation color of crayon. It was like a pink, but it kind of had like a little salmon to it. That's what Pink Lemonade reminds me of. Oh my gosh, I love the colors in this box. Let's start off with something else pink. So we are getting some smart vinyl. This is Cricut Joy removable. This is in party pink, and this is gonna be 10 feet long. So this is smart vinyl, so it will work matless on your Cricut Joy. But if you don't have a Cricut Joy, you can still use this and just put it on a mat. But it's the beautiful, my favorite pink color. And what goes really good with pink? Purple, if I do say so myself. This is called ultraviolet actually, and it's a darker purple. It does look more blue, I'd say, on the camera here than it is, but it's a dark purple. And you're gonna get 5.5 by 48 inches of this. And this is in the matte finish also. So just like before, if you don't have a Joy, just go ahead and throw it on a mat. Now, if I said I got pink and purple, we're missing one more favorite color. What do you think that is? Well, if you know Melody Lane Inspired, you know pink, purple, and teal. Or in this case, they call it aqua. But this is glitter, smart glitter iron-on in this beautiful teal, well, aqua. And this is 5.5 by 19 inches. But look how pretty and sparkly. That is so, so pretty. Matches my shirt. Oh my gosh. You know what I could use the glitter iron-on for? And what else is in here? Because in the box, we are getting a Cricut Joy tote. Well, no, this you will need a Joy for. But in here. But if you, ooh. So I'm really glad to get this because 3 days ago, I went to grab my Easy Press and I knocked my Cricut Joy down. And I hope it still works. But if I would have had this little tote in it, it would be protected. So I know Melody liked to travel with hers, and she'd take her Cricut Joy with her, and she has the tote bag here, which is super convenient. It's got the handle, but you could take some of that pretty aqua glitter iron-on and like put your initials or put something, iron on something on here. It's got a pocket in the back too. It's a very handy dandy tote for your Cricut Joy. And we're getting a 3 count of Cricut permanent markers. This is going to be in a red, blue, and green. And think Sharpie when you use these. So permanent. And last up in the box is some smart paper sticker cardstock. And this is the Bright Bow sampler, so think rainbow. You got the red, the orange, the yellow, the green, the blue. And each sheet is 5.5 by 13 inches, and it is smart, so you can put it through matless on your Cricut Joy, or you can just go ahead and put it on a mat and use it with any other machine. So what is smart paper sticker? What is smart paper sticker cardstock? Well, it is cardstock that has a sticky back. So you can go ahead and cut it, and there is no gluing with this because the back of the cardstock is already sticky, which is perfect. And it's really perfect for like no mess things. If you're doing projects with kids and stuff too, and you don't want to do gluing, very easy to put. You can use it to decorate cards. You can use it for all kinds of things, but it's really good for on the go too. If you want to take, I know some people love to take projects on the go with them to work, like if they go on a trip. There's no glue on this. You could literally be sitting in the car assembling a card, just sticking on what you had cut out. So that is everything that is in Cricut's Cotton Candy Joy mystery box. And because we got our cutie, I lost him already. Hello, cutie. And them cuties be wandering off quick. So, but because we got the cutie, it is a Cricut access only mystery box. So you do have to be access to purchase. But in the links below, not only can you purchase the mystery box, but you can go ahead and join access. And then the price of this is $49.99 US and $69.99 Canadian. but you still get your access discount on top of that. And we greatly, greatly appreciate when you use our links below. Also in the links below, we have an In Memory of Melody giveaway going on. And because Melody brought so much extra joy to our lives, I thought how fitting that we do a Joy Extra giveaway. So that giveaway is only open for a few extra days, but the links on how to enter are below. And then when you're in our Cricut Design Space group, we also have a February crafting challenge that we're giving away something too. And we have another giveaway coming up soon. So make sure and enter those giveaways. And great Cricut sale still going on, 50% off materials and accessories. Plus, if you spend $100 on that, you get an extra 15 off. And then you stack your access discount with that too. But they have the AutoPress still for $299. They have the Venture for $400 off. Venture, I will say, my favorite machine. It cuts so fast. Once you cut everything on the Venture and you go to other things, you're like, you don't want to go back because it's so fast. Well, thank you guys. Thank you to Cricut for giving us this awesome box. I'm gonna put my tote. I'm gonna put my joy in that tote, so it will be protected if I drop it. That would have been awesome. Like literally, like just 3 days ago, and I like took my easy press out, and in slow motion, my joy tumbled, and I'm like, no. So thank you guys so much. Thank you to our admin teams. They are rock stars. Thank you to all of those who have reached out over the past week and just shared memories and did a beautiful tribute to Melody. We greatly, greatly appreciate all of you. And we hope you all have a wonderful, craftastic week full of happy crafting. Stay warm out there, guys. I know here it's going to be a cold one, but we will see you guys next time. Happy crafting, everyone. And toodles from Alex. Bye.